Hello, my name is Mike McGregor and I'm with Principalities. And what we have for sale today is 3 bay doors. Got a couple more, another one right here. Great working condition, nothing wrong with them. The height is 12 foot, the width is 12 foot 9, very wide doors. Very easy to roll down, let's do it. Got the mounting bracket, it includes the rails. You have the rails that go with it. And you also have the L-shaped, diamond-shaped rather, mounting bracket that goes with it. So if you're interested in purchasing these, give me a call at 904-525-6161. 904-525-6161. Thank you.